Monica. I have just had a roof painted by Diamond Roof Tiling. We gave Sam a call after having some other quotes done. We'd seen some of his work and we got him to come out. He gave us a quote that made sure that it captured everything that would be required. I was very unaware of what was entailed in roof painting, and it's quite a big process. Sam made sure we understood it all, and he's come out today, done the job in very efficient time. We're extremely impressed with the roof. We'd recommend Diamond Roof Tiling to anybody.